Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I'll be talking about some of the coolest features on Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. And I'll be sharing some of my favorite features later in this video, so make sure that you watch it till the end. And with that, let's get started. First thing that I want to talk about is the new night mode or low light mode that Samsung has added in some of these watch faces. So if you select this watch face right here, you can turn on the low light mode here by going in customization, and then scroll to the left and go in low light mode and scroll down, and now we have this green low light mode. And if you go back, this is the new low light mode available for watch faces on this watch. If you receive a text on this watch, you can respond to those messages through AI replies, and AI replies are generated based on the context of the message. So if you have a message here, you can scroll down and you will see that AI is now generating replies for this message. And what's cool is, if you don't like it, you can tap on this AI button and it will regenerate messages, and you can keep doing this until and unless you find a suitable reply that you can send. You can turn this feature on by going in settings on your phone, then go in Galaxy AI, then go in writing assist, scroll down and you will find suggested replies. Go in here and turn this on. Once you've done this, it will work seamlessly on your watch. You can not only control the camera on your phone through this watch, you can also turn it on. So if you go in the app drawer, look for the camera icon, tap on it, and this will launch the camera on your phone as well. And here you can switch between video and photo. Another cool feature here is that if you're taking a video, you can pause it, stop it, and also capture photos while you're shooting the video. And on your phone, if you are on portrait photo, it will show portrait photo on the watch as well. From the top, you can also turn on or off the timer. This watch can not only detect your snoring, it can also record it. So for that, you need to go into the Samsung Health app and then go down in sleep, go in advanced, and this will take you on your phone. On your phone, you will see this option, snore detection. You can turn it on, but then you can also go in it. Here you will find several different options. So you have the option to detect your snoring always or just once. But below that, you will see the record audio toggle. Turn it on if you want to record your audio, and then select the days for which you want to keep that audio. Once you've done that, you will be able to find your snoring right in the snoring section. So right now I don't have any snoring recording, but if you have it, it will appear right here and you can listen to yourself snoring at night as well. If you go in settings and then go in security and privacy, you will see that there's an option to lock your watch. Now you can go in here, you can select pattern, pin, or none. So let's select pin here. So now once I have set up the pin, if I take off my watch, it should lock itself and I should not be able to do anything on this watch. Galaxy Watch 8 Classic also allows you to send emergency SOS by pressing this home button 5 times. So if I press this 5 times, it will call 911 and will also share this emergency with your emergency contacts. So you can set this up by going in settings, then go in safety and emergency, and here first you can set up your emergency contacts here. But then you can go in emergency SOS and turn on different settings here. So first one is require swipe to call. So this one is what you've just seen me do. It required me to swipe to make the final call. If you turn this off, the watch will just make the call. I have this turned on so that the watch does not make accidental calls to 911. Below that, there is an emergency number to call. By default, it's set to 911 and it should be set to emergency contact based on the country where you are located. And then the last thing here is that you can also turn on this setting to send SOS to emergency contacts as well. So it will text your location and an SOS message to your emergency contacts if you turn this feature on. And lastly, you can see that how to activate it, which I've just shown you. You have to press this button 5 times to send an emergency SOS. Below that, there is another very important feature here, which is hard fall detection. So if you go in here, you will see that this will allow the watch to detect any hard falls. And once again, you can turn this on. You can turn on the setting to require a swipe to make a call in case you don't want to make accidental calls. And then you can also turn on warning sound, test that sound, play sound on both watch and phone, emergency number to contact. And then an important setting here is when to detect falls. So You can select either always or only during workouts. If you go into the Galaxy Wear app on your phone and then go in watch settings and scroll down to find advanced features, go in here, and here you will find this option which you will not see in the advanced features setting on your watch, and it is remote connection. So if you go in here, you can actually turn on to sync data between your phone and watch over Wi-Fi. So once this data is synced over Wi-Fi, which is done through Google Cloud Sync, you'll be able to send text messages using your phone's number even when the watch is not connected to your phone by Bluetooth. So it will work over Wi-Fi. And if you want, you can also turn on this feature which will allow you to call on other devices using your watch. Now let's talk about a fantastic new feature that Samsung has made available on Galaxy watches, and that is the Now bar. So if you go in settings and then go in advanced features, scroll down, you will see this option Now bar style. Go in here, and now here you will see that there are two options for Now bar: icon only or icon with text. So you can select for all these apps that support Now bar whether you want to show it with icon only or icon with text. And then if you have a bunch of activities happening on the watch in the background, you will see this Now bar, and you can tap on it to expand it and go in these apps and manage them from here. But if you select icon only, in place of the Now bar, an icon will appear on the watch face. Another feature that Samsung has really improved upon is the double pinch gesture. So now with the double pinch gesture, you can actually control what is happening on your watch. So if you have a Now bar on the watch face, you can double pinch to expand that Now bar. If the Now bar is not there, you can actually select and scroll through your notifications or your tiles. And you can set this up by going in settings and then go in buttons and gestures, scroll down to find double pinch gesture, turn it on and go in here, and here you can go in watch face. Now the primary function on the watch face is expanding the Now bar, but if the Now bar is not active on the watch face, you can set up a secondary action, which is to scroll through your notifications or your tiles. If you scroll down, you will see options for other apps like music and media control, where you can select to play pause or go next. In your alarms, you can select to dismiss or snooze, calendar alerts, dismiss or snooze, and then reminder alerts, complete or dismiss. You can also pinch twice to answer calls, dismiss alerts, scroll through your notifications, play or pause music, or take pictures as well. And the double pinch icon will appear in places where you can use this gesture. So the watch actually tells you where the double pinch gesture is applicable, and you will see this small gesture, and then that means you can use the double pinch gesture in that place to control that feature. So that's about it from this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this one. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.